Basically, we are in Burma right now. Mona is in Burma right now. He's a Burmese. So this is the last petrol pump for Guiti Road. चलो ले गया करना पायु ओले ओले ओके सर जाएगा ओके
सिंगत से वापस आएगा
क्या सर
सिंगत से वापस आएगा
वापस आएगा
और कहाँ है
मेरा चुरचांदपुर ये किलोमीटर बंगजाखों फलाई दी हाँ 8 ओके ओके थैंक यू हाँ कम लगेगा करना पहले out of nowhere beautiful house is there. Singngat Wall. This is the Singngat Cemetery. Here it is. Check Oma. Oma. Oh. Entry vào ngày mà. Dạ mà. Có vậy á. Question now entry ball now. Sir. नहीं सिंगात जाना है. हाँ. सिंगात बाजार में जाएं. Behiang gamla ya.
Gamla luôn.
Kilometer bang zakong 30 mo. 25. Lampi hoi ta mo. Hoi mo. Behiang gamla non lo mo. Behiang. Ya. Their house is like this is Behiang village, so we are heading to Behiang, the Behiang city. The left side is Burma. Sir, Burma जाना है चुरचांदपुर से. Okay. Oh. From here, Indian bikes were not allowed to enter, so we're gonna borrow a Burmese bike. So we're gonna keep our bikes right here, and we're gonna use this bike.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain.
This is the border, which is separated by a river. So we are heading now.
Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone.
This is Burma, and this side is India. Okay, so separated by a river. There's lots of trees around here.
So save your judgment cause you just don't know, but some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty.
We were not allowed to enter with Indian vehicle, so we stop here. There's a village which is 3 to 4 kilometers from here, Sialman. The nearest village is Sialman. Oh,
Leaving crumpled bodies in my wake, swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, you say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain.
still drizzling. So those two guys help us to reach the border with the on their Kenbo Myanmar bikes. So Indian bikes were not allowed to enter from here. This is the border. No, this is the last village in India.
Asking for forgiveness, 'cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, 'cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should forgive